This is Landen M presenting my biome research project, and the first biome we have here, or the first ecosystem, is the marine ecosystem. And the food web is here, and the first food chain that I see is from seaweed to limpet to starfish to seagull, or from plankton to herring to seal to human, or from plankton to mussel to starfish to seagull. And one thing that could affect this ecosystem could be overfishing. So say if we fish for too many crab or too many herring, then there could be an overgrowth in plankton and algae, or the seagulls would have a hard time finding crabs, or the dolphins would have a hard time finding herring. And so that would lead to a decrease in dolphins or an increase in certain plants. And the second ecosystem would be a lake. And this is the food chain, and some food webs that are in here is from the plant here to the mosquito larva to the frog to the big fish here. Some of these things I don't know how to pronounce, so I'm just not going to try. And it goes from duckweed to water spider to bird to, again, this big fish. Then from algae to water spider to frog, and then this big fish. Something that could affect this ecosystem is an overpopulation. So if the frogs were to produce too much, then there could be a decrease in water spider, or there could be, increase in these big fish because there's more food. It's harder for them, or it's easier for them to survive. And so that could mess with the environment. Or if the turtles were to overproduce, then there would be less minnows, and so there'd be more frogs because there's more food. And that's just one thing that could affect them. And for the rainforest, which is what I chose for the last ecosystem, this is the food chain, and this is the food web, and the different food chains that I saw were from the rainforest leaves to this animal to the Bengal tiger, which isn't a complete food chain, it doesn't have the primary, secondary, and tertiary consumer. So the other ones I see are the durian fruit to the orangutan, to the king cobra, to the Bengal tiger, and then the bamboo to the orangutan, to the king cobra, to the Bengal tiger, or from the durian to the jambu to the king cobra to the Bengal tiger. And something that could affect this is deforestation. So say they could cut down certain plants like bamboo or these trees that the fungus is growing on, and that could lead to a decrease in some things, which could lead to an increase in other animals, and that could mess up the entire ecosystem. And that's about all I have for this project. Bye.